If you still waste time manually formatting citations for essays and research papers, this website could save you hours of frustration. And today, I'm showing you exactly how to use EasyBib in 2026 to generate citations and bibliographies step by step. EasyBib is an online citation generator designed for students, researchers, and anyone writing academic papers who needs fast MLA, APA, Chicago, or Harvard citations without memorizing complicated formatting rules. To get started, go to the EasyBib website and either create a free account or start using the citation generator directly. Once you're on the homepage, choose the citation style your school requires, like MLA or APA, because that changes how your references are formatted. After that, you simply paste a website link, article title, book name, or source information into the search bar. EasyBib will automatically scan the source and generate a citation for you in seconds. One thing students really like about EasyBib is how easy the process feels for basic assignments, because you don't need deep citation knowledge just to build a works cited page quickly. After generating the citation, you can review the details, edit missing information manually if needed, then add it to your bibliography list. Once your references are complete, you can export the bibliography directly into Google Docs or Microsoft Word, which makes the whole process much faster during deadlines. Besides citations, EasyBib now includes extra tools like grammar checking, plagiarism scanning, paraphrasing assistance, AI detection, and writing suggestions, so the platform is trying to become more of a complete academic writing assistant instead of just a bibliography generator. A lot of students still use EasyBib because it saves time and handles simple citations reasonably well, especially for websites and books. Many users also say it's beginner-friendly and helpful for people who struggle with formatting rules. But the reviews online are definitely mixed, and there are some important downsides you should know before relying on it completely. One of the biggest complaints everywhere online is the amount of ads on the free version. On Reddit and review sites, users constantly mention pop-ups, slow performance, and aggressive premium upgrade prompts that make the website feel cluttered. Some students even say the site crashes on weaker laptops or school Chromebooks. Another important thing to remember is that citation generators are not perfect. Several users reported incorrect formatting for more complex academic sources, which means you should always double-check citations before submitting your assignment. Some users also dislike that certain citation styles and advanced tools are locked behind paid plans. So overall, is EasyBib worth using in 2026? I'd say yes if you want a quick and simple way to create citations and bibliographies faster, especially for basic school assignments, but you should still review everything carefully instead of trusting the tool 100%. The platform is useful for saving time, but the ads and occasional formatting mistakes can definitely become annoying. My honest opinion is that EasyBib works best as a helper tool rather than a complete replacement for understanding citation rules yourself. If this tutorial helped you understand how to use EasyBib, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the next AI or student tool you want me to review in 2026.